Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add music or media controller in the taskbar of Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google just search for one application name as Blue and Flyout. And on the first list will see its official website. Just click on it. So you can see here various download options. So you can select whichever download option you want to choose. But I'll highly recommend to click on this developer website, which is in the GitHub. And now you will see here on the right side releases. Just click on it. And just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here Blue and Flyout.zip file. So you need to download this .zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click on this Blue and Flyout installer. Now you need to press enter. Now press R and hit enter. Type Y, press enter again, press enter once more. So the first step has been completed. Now just open this system files folder. Now you will see here one MSIX bundle file. So just double click on it. Now just click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Wait for a few seconds. So now you can see various options. So I'm not go through all the options here. I'll directly focus on the topic. Now just click on this taskbar widget. Now just turn on this option. Now you will see one music or media icon appearing on the left side of your taskbar. So if you want it to be placed on the right side, then just click on this widget position option. Now I'll select it bottom right. You can select the bottom center also. Now you can see here widget padding settings option again. So under it you can automatic padding for the Windows widget button, or you can set your own custom padding size. So below you can see here click to open media file when media is present. Tons more options. So you can select the background blur option also. If you want to make it blur, you can hide completely when no media is present. You can enable it with media control. So I'll just enable it. So the next option is the media control position. So you can place it in the right or left, and below is the widgets animations. So these are the options you're gonna get. So now just click on this media flyout. Now so just under this flyout option you can select which positions you want to show the music player flyout. So I'll just place it to bottom right. So once your all settings are done, you can just minimize it. So now let me try to play some music. So now you can see here the music or the media controller is showing up. So you can play pause, or you can just play the previous music or the next music. You can play pause from here directly. So if you click on it, you can see the media flyouts appearing on the bottom right since I've selected this position. So you can select whichever positions you want. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add music or media controller in the taskbar of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.